So we're here at Mobile World Congress and the Cenx stand. Joining me is Ed Ogonek from Cenx. Ed, thanks very much for joining us. Wondering if you could tell me a wee bit about your company and also what you're showcasing at this year's Mobile World Congress.
Yeah, sure. Thanks for taking the time to talk with us. Cenx, we're a new generation software company. We're delivering service orchestration solutions to manage advanced data networks. In particular, we bring together extensive operational and service experience across carrier Ethernet and IP networks and bring that together with big data analytics and Web 2.0 technology to help carriers manage the their end-to-end data networks. In particular, here at Mobile World Congress, we're highlighting our solution for mobile providers. And we've got a new release of our flagship product, the Ethernet Lifecycle Manager, that really broadens the solution to help carriers manage their mobile backhaul networks.
Can you tell me a wee bit about the wider market backdrop into which you're selling your products?
Sure. As we see across the market, the carriers are dealing with a number of challenges. First and foremost, data continues to grow at a massive rate. We see forecasts that say that carriers are going to have 1.4 zettabytes of data to manage over the coming years. But equally important, the type of traffic is changing. So more business IP traffic, that drives more of a need to be able to differentiate quality in the network. And then the third area that's happening is really around virtualization. So we see projections for cloud-based services to grow 4.5 times over the next 5 years. So together these provide a challenge for the operator that they've got to deal with a much larger volume of data, much more differentiation of that data, and then the need to extend their technology to do that in a more efficient way. Okay. And a key area we see them investing, two key areas. One is a transition from TDM technologies to carrier Ethernet and IP, and then the second is more virtualization with NFV and SDN technologies.
Mm-hmm. So can you tell me a bit about the sorts of challenges that mobile operators experience as they use carrier Ethernet and IP transport services to expand their backhaul network?
Yeah, the first challenge is just the amount and variety of data. So it's a data deluge. Mm-hmm. So the carriers need tools to be able to manage through that data in a better way. One aspect of that is that they've got multiple technologies, multiple screens, multiple operating systems that they're trying to use to manage different parts of their network. So we see an opportunity to bring that together into a single screen view. And then the second is to have the power of analytics to actually process that data and pull out what's most relevant for the carriers to manage their networks more efficiently.
Mm-hmm. Now, I know Cenx is a big exponent of service orchestration. I was wondering if you could tell me a wee bit about what you mean by that and what it can do to address the challenges faced by networks.
Yeah, service orchestration is an interesting term. It's evolved a lot over the past years. And when we look at service orchestration, we mean that to indicate an end-to-end view of the life cycle of a carrier Ethernet or IP circuit. And in particular, being able to help a carrier manage the order and build and activation side, as well as the ongoing fault performance and capacity manage. And to do that orchestration across all of the variety of different data sources that I indicated before.
Mm-hmm. Now, you've mentioned before software-defined networks and network function virtualizations, two very hot topics. I was curious if you could tell me a wee bit about how Cenx's solutions fit into those growing markets.
Yeah, we see it actually as a natural extension of our solution today. Mm-hmm. So the way we deploy our service orchestration solution, we put a capability in the carrier's network so that they can extract data from their network gear, from their OSS systems, from their business support systems. And to us, SDN provides another data source. Mm-hmm. An SDN controller will provide a new generation view into an advanced, more virtualized network. And so we think with our solution we can provide both a transition to SDN and then a fuller management capability across an SDN implementation.
Excellent. Ed, thanks very much for joining us.
You're welcome. Thank you.